Whoa. Whoa, hey, hi. We are up on the roof, the top, or not quite the roof of the tool room. We're after this guy. So the tool room has always been here in my life. I have no idea when Grandpa or Dad added this on to the original structure. I'm gonna guess sometime in the 50s. So they're somewhere around 70 years old. And quite possibly, because it runs in the family, I'm guessing that Grandpa kind of took this off another building. I can't imagine them buying a new one. Like I wouldn't buy a new one. I don't even know if you can buy a new one. I don't even know what this is technically called besides the ball on the end of the building, just to that little finishing touch. But what's going to be pretty cool about this one is we are finishing the roof of the new dressing room over at the suite at the garden. So we are going to take this one off because this roof's going to get redone in the next year or so. But we're going to take this one off and put it on the front of the dressing room, and it'll be one of those moments. So let's take it off. Wow. So you know it's old because the little seal around there is lead. They don't use lead anymore like that. Still there, still intact. Being a little stubborn. I don't want to move. What is that? 50-year-old dust? So, KLAUER out of Dubuque. Patent Day. May 6th, 2019. No, 1919. We're not talking root beer. All right, we're gonna head over and put this bad boy on. Woo. Check it out, the wasps are gone over there. I'm scared.
Well, that's the part I want to get.
Well, that's no fun. Are you helping him or filming?
Right now I'm doing nothing, I'm just standing there.
This is not a step.
Get her square.
You got it going? You got the video running. When did you learn to run one of those?
Been working here long enough.
The ball.
I'm on the ball. Oh.
KLAUER. Dubuque, Iowa. They still make these. You know, I looked it up online after I took it off the other roof, and they still manufacture them.
Still have install instructions?
Yeah, don't fall off the ladder. I don't know why. This is the...
Oh, shut off.
Oh, it's it. You got her?
How come I don't see anything then?
It's still going.
I can't see anything. Choking up on that hammer.
That one's on film. It hit it like a real one. Notice these do not have fine lead. They have nice rubber that's going to last for how long? Ever?
Till they crack.
50 years.
How come I can't see you anymore?
We got a little issue. Hold on, hold up.
No, it's still filming. I can see it there.
But I can't see you through the lens.
Well, it probably goes off.
Oh.
I've got a new cameraman today. Here's the cameraman. Danny and Eric. They're almost done with the front of this.
They're not perfectly square. There, that I like better.
Woo! Was it meant to be square?
Here you go, Eric.
Oh, it's going to look a lot better square.
Do it from up here now.
Do it from up there as we put the last nail in.
Last two. I would.
But you would?
I would.
The answer. What are you doing? That's just highlighting. It's counting in the front. If you tap the back screen.
Yeah, I'm making sure it's... You can see what you're doing.
This is not a step. And the ball is in place. Now they'll finish up. And we'll take pictures from below and all is good. You can keep the hammer.
I can throw it down.
Perfect.
Right into the sponge. Are you going to want to do a flare up on the end?
No.
Well, we can loosen that one too. We can loosen them 3 screws.